What's up, everybody? Freedom Fishing is the name. Today is Wednesday, my dudes. And it just rained extremely hard. It is, I think, the day before July. It rained for probably a good half hour and it really came down, but it is done. I am bank fishing with a couple people. I'm gonna be throwing topwater, a square bill, and a Texas rig Cinco. That might change. I'll let you know whatever happens. All right, guys, first bait I'm throwing out is a Guggen Black Whopper Plopper. Oh, I see one. Oh, I think I'm on. No, I might have came off. Oh. All right, move down the line a little bit. We are on a main lake point. It is not a huge lake in general, but this point is pretty big for the size of this small lake. I am fishing the crankbait, and I will be fishing it aggressively. I'm gonna come near you and I'm gonna throw this top water and you'll throw that bottom bait. Coming next to you. All right, I'm gonna cast to the left. I'm casting like that. Can you try to skip under that? Oh, what a cast, what a cast. Oh, I got hit. Oh! He's surfing, and he's up.
Well done, Dolan.
Woo! He's small, but topwater bite is a topwater bite. I casted it really close to the bank, and I was just popping it casually. Oh! Oh! He's coming off. He's coming off. And yeah, he just hit it, like we say. But yeah, I casted it right on the bank and I was just popping it. He was shallow. Dang, look at all that
Gabagoo.
I don't know what the slime. It's the gabagoo.
Yeah, it's the gabagoo.
We're probably gonna go somewhere else. This lake is pretty tough even though it's raining and it's in the summertime. Those two mix well together, but here's a nice one. So what I caught that one on was a black Guggen popper with a Lew's LFS 7.3-to-1 or 7.5-to-1. 7.5-to-1, 30-pound braid, 8 carrier braid, so it casts a little smoother, with a 12, I think, pound monofilament leader. The rod is a Lew's Match Speed Stick, a 6.8 medium moderate fast. It does the job just well.